An important and widely used component of electronics is resistor. In today's video, we will discuss resistor color code in detail. So let's start the video. On the screen, we can see a resistor. The value of this resistor is not given anywhere here. There are only colored spots on the resistor. The method of determining the value of the resistor using different codes for different colors is called resistor color code method. Each spot here is called a band. We can see that there are 5 spots on the resistor on the screen. That is, this resistor is a 5-band resistor. The band on the far left side is the first band, then the second band, then the third and fourth band, and the last band is the tolerance or 5th band. We will get to what tolerance is a little later. Now the question is from which direction to start the calculation? The calculation should be started from the opposite side of the tolerance band. What is the way to know the tolerance band? The way to recognize the tolerance band is that it is usually gold or silver in color, and this band is placed slightly away from a normal band, as we can see on the screen. Based on the band, we usually see 4 types of resistors, such as 3-band resistor, 4-band resistor, 5-band resistor, and 6-band resistor. Now we don't see the color codes of the resistor. We can see a chart on the screen. Here is the chart called color value. In this chart, first there is black, then brown, then red, and finally there is white. So for black we get 0, for brown we get 1, for red we get 2. In this way we get 9 for white. These are the values of each color. Later we need these values for the calculation. I can see the tolerance color value in the next chart. What is tolerance? When a resistor is manufactured in a factory, a resistor may not give 100% value due to mechanical defects, or defects in the materials used, or various defects. That is, a 1000 ohm resistor will not show exactly 1000 ohm. It may show a little less or a little more than the specified value, and this showing less or more is called tolerance. In this chart we can see that the value for golden color is plus or minus 5%. For silver color is plus or minus 10%. And if there is no tolerance color on the resistor, then we assume plus or minus 20%. Well, now come plus minus 5% main. Assume we have a resistor of 100 ohms, and its tolerance is plus or minus 5%. That is, if this resistor is plus 5%, then its value will be 105. And if it is minus 5%, then its value will be 95. That is, the value of this resistor can be any value between maximum 105 and minimum 95. And below it there is a chart called temperature coefficient. We will discuss this a little later. Now we will know how to determine the color code of the 3-band register. On the screen we can see a register. Now the first of this register is the first band. Then the second is the second band, then the third band. And the third band has another name that is multiplier. We will know what multiplier is a little later. But this resistor has no tolerance band, so we assume its tolerance is plus 20%. Next to the register we put the color code chart. Now there is a formula for determining the color code of the resistor. That is, the first band, followed by the second band, into 10. And the power of 10 will be the third band. So our first band color of this register is red. Then from the chart we can see that red has value 2. So we put 2 first, then the band is black. Black has a value of 0, so next to 2 we put 0. Now in the formula into 10. Then the power of 10 will be band number 3. Then the color in band number 3 is also red. For red color we get 2. After doing the calculation, we got 2000 ohms as a result. Now since there is no tolerance band in this register, so we will assume its tolerance is plus minus 20%. 20% of 2000 is 400. Then if it is 2000 plus 20%, then the value of the register will be 2000 plus 400. i.e. 2400 ohms. And if it's minus 20%, then the value of the resistor will be 2000 minus 400, which is 1600 ohms. Then the value of this register can be between 1600 and 2400. While selecting the register, try to use the lower tolerance register. Now we will see how to determine the color code of a 4-band resistor. On the screen we can see a register. This resistor has a golden color tolerance band. Then we will start counting from the opposite side of the tolerance band. Then first band will be brown color, second band will be black color, and third band will be red color, and fourth band i.e. tolerance will be golden color. Now according to the formula we put the values. Then we get 1 for nut, second band we get 0 for black, Now in the formula into 10 and the power of 10 will be the third band. For the third band red we get 2. Now if we calculate we get the value 1000 and its fourth band, i.e. we get the value of the tolerance band plus minus 5%. Then 5% of 1000 is 50. So if 50 is less than 1000, then the value will be 950 ohm. And if 50 is more, then the value will be 1050 ohm. Then the value of this resistor will be between 950 and 1050. Now we will see how to determine the color code of a 5-band resistor. On the screen we can see a resistor. This resistor also has a golden color tolerance band. So let's see what is the value of this resistor. According to the previous rule. Here we have to set the value according to the color and do the calculation. A question may arise in the mind of many people that the multiplier band was in the band number 3 in the previous resistors. Why is it now in the band number 4? Actually, the multiplier band is the band just before the tolerance band. After setting the value and calculating, we can see a result. That is 2 crore ohms. And the tolerance is plus or minus 5%. But we can't write such a big value anywhere. So we need to lower the value. To shorten it we have to do another calculation. That is, 1 megaohm is equal to 1000 kilo ohm. And 1 kilo ohm is equal to 1000 ohm. So we can say that 1000 ohm is equal to 1 kilo ohm. And 1000 kilo ohm is equal to 1 megaohm. Now the value of our resistor was 2 crore ohm. Now if we divide 2 crore by 1000, then the value is in kilo ohm. Will come. So after dividing we get the value of 20,000 kilo ohm. Now if we divide 20,000 kilo ohm by 1000, then we get the value in megaohm. Then the value of our resistor is 20 megaohm. Now if the tolerance is plus or minus 5%, the value of the resistor will be, if it is plus 5%, then the value will be 21 megaohm, and if it is minus 5%, then the value will be 19 megaohm. So finally we realize that the value of our resistor can be any value between 19 to 21 megaohm. Now we will see how to determine the color code of the 6-band resistor. On the screen we can see a register. But after the tolerance band of this resistor we can see another blue color band. It is called number 6 band or temperature coefficient, the unit of which is ppm per degree Celsius. That is parts per million per degree Celsius. Well, let's clear the matter a little more. How much is equal to a million? 1 million is equal to 10 larks. That means if we have a 10 lark ohm resistor, if the temperature at which the resistor is designed to operate is 1 degree Celsius lower than higher, then its resistance will be slightly higher. Now how much less would be more? It indicates the value of the color, i.e. 1 value for blue color and 1 value for green color, which we will get clear a little later. So if we look at the color codes of this register, we get 1 for the brown band, 2 zeros for the next 2 black bands, into 10, and its power is band number 4. So we get 4 for band number 4 yellow. Now if we calculate, we get the result, 10 lark ohms, and its tolerance is plus or minus 5%. This time the temperature coefficient band is what is its value. In the temperature coefficient chart we can see that the value for blue color is 10. 10 means that if the temperature of this resistor is made to work, if the temperature is increased or decreased by 1 degree Celsius, then the resistance will change by 10 ohms. If instead of blue color in the place of 6 bands, if it was yellow color, then it would change by 25 ohms for every degree Celsius. And if black is used, it would be 250 ohms. That is, this number 6 band will work according to the temperature. Finally, one question for you, that is, how much is the value of this resistor on the screen? If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.